demonstration. This is the setup of our prototype consisting of three major portions, namely the power side, control circuitry and load side. The power side consists of a three-phase star-delta transformer, which in turn is connected to a three-phase bridge rectifier for AC to DC conversion. The control unit consists of a current sensing circuit and a voltage sensing circuit, which are interfaced with a microcontroller, and a 12-volt DC power supply has been made to power the circuitry. The control unit has been tested separately with the help of a resistive load to ensure proper current control. The DC motor control algorithm has been implemented on the load side so as to control the PWM. Actual welding process has been tested separately to see the range of open circuit and short circuit voltages and currents. IIMB's suggestion to talk with some consumers who are regular users of welding application was duly noted. Since we have in-house technical staff who deal with day-to-day welding activities in our manufacturing processes lab, we have taken their opinion for the same. Let's hear from them. सर तो आप हमें ज़रा इस कन्वेंशनल आर्क वेल्डिंग मशीन के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, इसकी मेंटेनेंस और करते समय क्या क्या चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना होता है.
Actually, this is an electric arc welding machine, and this is a low maintenance machine. First of all, you should use a gloves. You should use a gloves, and very important thing is you have a face shield. Usually, we can use the electrode only according the standards. Like if you are using the mild steel, so you should have according the standards electrode for mild steel.
ये कन्वेंशनल इलेक्ट्रिक आर्क वेल्डिंग मशीन में आपको क्या टेक्निकल दिक्कतें आती हैं वेल्डिंग करते समय?
सबसे ज़्यादा तो इसमें क्या होता है, जो हम वेल्डिंग करते हैं तो मास्क यूज करने की वजह से जो ऑब्जेक्ट है हमारा उसे हम प्रॉपर नहीं देख पाते हैं, और जो हम तो आसानी से कर भी सकते हैं, लेकिन जो कोई कंडलेट करना चाहे तो उसे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होता है. और जो वेल्डिंग हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट होता है तो उस पर कहीं ज़्यादा या कहीं कम जो मेटल आता है.
डायरेक्ट जी, आपने ऑटोमेटिक वेल्डिंग मशीन्स के बारे में सुना है कुछ?
हाँ सुना है ना, वो इससे बहुत ज़्यादा एफिशिएंट होता है, और जो वेल्डिंग भी उसमें यूनिफॉर्म होता है, और ह्यूमन रिस्क भी बहुत कम रहता है.
अच्छा.
Mr. Karthik, a PhD scholar at SNU, Department of Mechanical Engineering, asked us to look upon a problem of the electrode being stuck to the weld job. This occurs due to melting of flux coated on the electrode as well while maintaining the point of contact. We have come up with a solution for this. The short circuit current is limited by maintaining large leakage impedance. This is done by keeping sufficient air gaps such that the arc is sustained while the point of contact is made for minimal time.